Hey guys, your girl here, Coach Tanisha, and I got my little mic going on. So you guys know I'm excited about my little mic going on now, right? Um, but I just became a TikTok affiliate. Okay, and I'm already making money. Now, how do you become a TikTok affiliate? You gotta have at least 1,000 followers. Okay, you have to have at least 1,000 followers, okay, real followers, not fake followers, bot followers. So I've been had over 1,000. I got almost 3,000 followers and I think over 100,000 likes, right? So TikTok been sent me the link to do TikTok shops. They had you fill out all this stuff and fill out what what your blood type was, and it was just too much. So I was like, I don't want to do TikTok shops. Forget it. But they came up with the affiliate, and I'm a master at affiliate marketing. Okay, I've been doing affiliate marketing over 10 years. I've done been a part of so many programs with affiliate marketing, so many programs. Okay, so they sent me the link, and I just erased it. I was like, I don't want to do it. TikTok may get banned. Then, they sent it again. Then I'm like, maybe. And then I started, watching the people on TikTok. They made 90 cents, they made $90, they made $900. Then I came across a military guy who only reviews or promotes TikTok shop, TikTok shop high end products. And he made over $300,000 and he was doing this part time. So I was like, let me look into this little TikTok thing. So I went, I applied for the affiliate, and once you have 1,000 followers, you have engagement. They will approve you to now be, a TikTok affiliate. So now everything, like with this mic, I could be talking with this mic and actually tag the mic on my video. So if somebody actually wants this mic, they can actually get it, and I'll make a 50-cent commission, a dollar commission, 30-cent commission. Now, what I like about the TikTok affiliate, it actually tells you how much you're going to make. See, with the Amazon influencer, they don't tell you exactly how much you're going to make. You only know if you log into your back office. See, with TikTok, before you actually promote it, it tells you how much you're going to make. So even if I make a dollar, or even if I make 50 cents, or even if I make 20 cents, right? 20 cents over and over and over and over and over, a dollar over and over and over and over and over, 50 cents over and over and over and over and over is how people are making. So, of course, it's all about having sales. You gotta convince people that this mic or whatever you're promoting, this hat, these glasses, this wig, whatever it is you're promoting, that they click on your link so that you can actually get the commission. So I think that anything that I'm promoting on Amazon or anything that I'm making money with Amazon, I'm going to use it on TikTok, right? And TikTok's not going to be banned. TikTok's not going anywhere. TikTok has literally made people thousands of dollars, millions of dollars. A lot of businesses have made 6 and 7 figures because of TikTok. So TikTok's not going anywhere. So TikTok affiliate program, guys, is very easy. Okay. All you need is 1,000 followers. What I would do to get 1,000 followers, I would go in these TikTok groups on Facebook and go in these different affiliate marketing groups on Facebook and just tell people, hey, follow me. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers so I can be a TikTok affiliate. Simple. Like, we help each other out on social media, right? So easy, right? Or tell your families and friends, follow me. Your children, follow me, right? And now you're at 1,000 followers. And then now, right, you can be able to be eligible. Now they have to send you invite. You don't just go apply. They have to send you an actual invite. So everybody's not a TikTok affiliate, right? So you have to be an actual on TikTok, and you have to have 1,000 followers, and then you have to get the invite. See, the Amazon influencer, you can apply to be an affiliate, right? And then, you share your link with everybody. Then with the influencer, Amazon actually has to approve you to be an Amazon influencer. So I'm making money shopping on Amazon and everywhere else. and I'm making money on TikTok, shopping and everywhere else. And what I'm learning is that those false nails, so you guys, usually I'll be having my nails done. I haven't been to the nail salon besides to get my feet done in the last 2, 3 months. I've been buying these $20, $10, $5 false nails, putting it on, and literally making money on TikTok. So now I'm just going to be using those literally until I get tired of it, and then still going to be making money. So it's absolutely amazing, guys. We are in the best of times. Get yourself in position. Get yourself in position, guys. If you're already scrolling on TikTok, sharing stuff on TikTok, you might as well get some money on TikTok. That's what I told myself. You might as well get some money on TikTok too, Tanisha. So make sure you follow me, guys, on TikTok at Coach Tanisha Marie. Follow me on my Amazon store at amazon.com/shop/Tanisha Adjo. And then follow me everywhere. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing more TikTok videos so you guys can see. And even if you're 65 and over, even if you're 55 and over, even if you're 45 and over, even if you're 35 and over, it's not just for the kids. That's 18 and 21, guys. Everybody shopping online. You can do it too. I saw an old lady. She had to be in her 70s and she was doing TikTok shops. Come on, man. That's an extra income. Shopping online, guys, is the new way to shop and make money. It's incredible. So, if you guys are interested in learning, right, how to start your Amazon affiliate business, an Amazon influencer business, you need business funding, you want to fix your credit, click on the link below, get into the Smart Start for $27, and we will help you guys get yourself in position to start building and growing your business. Peace.